Today we're going to do our Relentless Preamplifier installation video. We'll go over the volume knob, the zones, and different adjustments that you could do from the unit. On the top we have our inputs and we have our outputs on both the top and the bottom. So it's labeled 1 through 5, zone 1, 1, 2. This zone 1 is for both zones, but if you want to split them and play music in different rooms or something like that, you would use this zone 1. Here we have our logic, we have our DAC, our DC inputs, RS-232, 12 volt trigger, our AC in. If you need to change the fuse, it's right in here. There's an extra one. This one has our digital streaming module installed. You can see it. The SPDIF, optical, USB, network, and the Wi-Fi antenna. If you don't have a digital streaming module, you'll only have one antenna that comes with your unit. So to get the unit going, we're going to hook up our AC in, power on our unit. Since this one has a streamer, we'll hook up our Ethernet. And for this one, demonstration purposes, we're just going to pretend like we're just going to use one zone. So we're going to hook up our XLRs like that. And we're just going to pretend like we have one source. So we'll just hook up our top. And we'll hook up our bottom. And you're ready to go. To get us going, we're going to press standby. You can see right now that both of them are tracking the same. We have mute, take us out of mute, polarity. Right now we are controlling both zones. We can go to zone 2, which we'll just do this one, and this one is separate. We separate them. To get them synced again, hold down zone 2, and you can see they are together again. These are our inputs right here. We have zone 1, or input 1, input 2. Input 3 can be used as our theater bypass. 4, 5. To go to dark mode, hold down standby. You see the DR, and it'll flip to dark. There we go. To come out of it, press it and hold it again. There we go. And to change the gain, put it in standby, hold down zone 1, and then hold down standby. You can see we're in high gain. And then to come out of it, put it in standby again, hold down zone 1, and press standby. And now we're in low gain. From our new remote, you can go to the settings, and we have balance, non-inverted or inverted, dark mode, zone 2, info. So you can just press balance and you see it'll adjust it for us. Or you can come in here and change things like dark mode. Thank you for watching our video on the Relentless Preamplifier. I want to thank you on behalf of D'Agostino for watching our video. Please give us a like and subscribe.